Hello guys, welcome back to our yet another Autocad session. We are pushing our house floor plans course in Autocad, and in this session we shall look at adding block elements to represent the furniture, the fixtures and other components in our house plan. So kindly like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to motivate me. When you subscribe, we grow together, and when we grow together, I keep getting the inspiration to keep teaching you CAD. So in this session, we shall look at adding blocks. So you could first create a layer on which we shall add our blocks. So you could come here on the layer properties and create a new layer. Let's call it fixtures. Then we can choose the color. Can go with that purple color. So here we can come and activate our fixtures layer. So we can able to cross. So drawing blocks, you could use the drawing tools in AutoCAD, such as the lines, circles, arcs, to be able to draw your blocks. But in this session, we shall be able to get our blocks from a website called dwgmodels.com. Then we can be able to edit them, scale them, or to ungroup them, and to be able to clean them, be able to fit them into our model. So let's go to our website. So here is the website. It's called dwgmodels.com. So here we can get some free blocks such as furniture, bathroom, interior details, building techniques blocks. So we can first start with the furniture blocks. So some of the furniture blocks are paid for, whereas the others are free. So we could be able to opt for this one, which is free. So we can download it. We can go back and see, do we need any other furniture block? I think that could work, but we need another. Let's go through. Yes, we can also opt for this one. So we can come here, back here. So we can look at the interior design blocks. So here are the bathroom blocks. We could select a few. So I can select this one. So here are the various elements or blocks that you could get from here. So you can also search. Let's search for beds. So here it's giving you children's room. You can also get this one. So yeah, so that's it. So we can come back to our CAD software and we can open some of those files which you've been downloaded and edit the blocks. Then we copy paste them into our project. So coming here, go to open DWG. Then we could go to come here, we could go to our elements. So here we already have the bath elements. So let's open them. So Autocad will open another new plan here. So if you want to edit one of these elements, you're able to edit them here. So let's first copy all our downloaded files into our specific path. So we shall cut them, then we paste them here. So going back to our file, so we are able to open this file with bath elements. So you could go back and open another file, drawing. Then you could open this script DWG. Open, so it still opens a new file. So you could select these elements. So you can select them. The properties, it's showing you there are 10. So you can escape. So we select one. Let's select this. Then we can able to move it. Move from here to there. So after moving it, we can able to select it, right click, clipboard. Then we copy to our clipboard, then we go back into our project. And we can be able to paste it. You can paste the clipboard, then paste. You can paste it here. So now we're on the fixtures layer, so you can select it. It's now a block reference. So we have to edit it to change its layer to a fixtures layer. So we have to come here to our edit block. So its name is called grip DWG. You can say okay. So we come here and select it. So here it's on layer. You can choose the layer to fixtures. Then we can be able to close the block editor. Then we can save the changes. Still it's not able to change the layer. It's still on the old color. So let's first ungroup it. So it's still grouped, so we can first come and edit it. Okay. So color. Let's change the color to by layer. Okay. Then we can be able to close the editor. Yes, okay. So now it's able to appear on our layer we want it to go. So we could select it, then move it, position it into one of the bedrooms. So we could use our move icon here. Move it from here. To position it there. So still you could use the scale element to be able to scale it. You could first measure it. Come measure distance, measure it from here to there. It is 755 millimeters. So you could use the scale option to increase its length. So you could select it, type SC and hit enter. Be able to activate the scaling ratio. Then you could choose how you want it to be scaled. So I guess we could scale it up to here. Then we could move it, position it. So that is how we shall be using the scale icon to be able to resize our blocks. So next you could go back and pick another element from our downloaded blocks to be able to insert in your project. So here we have the bathtubs. So we could select any of our choice and insert it into our project. So we can go with this. So let's select it. Then right click, copy it to clipboard. Then right click here, then clipboard. Then you could paste it as a block. So yes, so being able to paste it here. So now we have a task of changing it to the layer. So you can block edit it. It has a name here. You could be able to redefine the name or use the name which comes on. Then here we want to make a selection. So you could select all of it. Then we color it by layer, change it from the dwgmodels.com layer to the fixtures layer. Then press OK. Then save the changes. Now it's able to appear on the layer where you want it to be. So you could move it into position. We want to make a copy of it. So we could choose copy tool. You have to make a copy. So we can make a copy. You copy it into here, and to here. Yes, I think that's why it will appear in the project. So now we can rescale it to be able to fit into this other room. So you could select it, we'll be able to move it, position it. Position it there, then here. Could select it. Let's first move it before we scale it. Could move it from here to there. Then we could select it, then type in the scale command. Then we can scale it. That is able to fit in within our boundaries. So again here, I could again move, preposition it. So that is how we add our block elements into our project. You could model them, or you could be able to download them from a vendor, or you could use the free ones which could be available within the web. So next we could look at adding some furniture. Let's open the file. So we first select it. So these are all block references according to the properties here. So you can choose say a dining table. Could go with this one. So there are 11 block references. So could be able to right click, clipboard, copy. So could come back into our project. Then clipboard, right click, clipboard, then paste. So we want to paste it here. Yeah, I'd like to paste it here. Good. Could first undo. First straight undo it. So could again click on our clipboard. Clipboard and paste. So you can come and paste it here. I don't know why it's not going position. So let's first paste it here and we edit it. Clipboard, paste. Let's paste it here. So after pasting it here, we could select it. Then we could edit block type. So still, there are many blocks. There are 11. So let's first select them. Then we could use the ungroup. Hit escape. So realize there are various block references within this frame. So let's first select it. So go to edit block. So we can first save it as an entire block to be able to edit it. So B, enter. So let's first select it. B, enter. I could call it a dining table. I could pick point. Could pick a point here. So millimeters, then okay. So now when you select it, it's 1. So now we could be able to edit it. Now block editor, okay. So you could select it here. You could change the layer to fixtures. Then you could close the block editor. Then you could save these changes. So from here, we can able to copy it or to move it into our project. So we shall move it from here. Here. We can position it there. So now we positioned it properly. So next we could add some furniture into the project. This is office furniture. So you have to open another file. So look at these patient chairs. So you're able to select the sofa set from here. When you select it, it's a block reference as shown here in the properties palette. So you could copy it to clipboard. Then you could come to our project and still paste it as a block. So now here it comes on exactly onto our layer. So let's go back and check what else can we add from our files. So that's it for now. That's how we can be able to add our blocks to represent our furniture and other fixtures in our project. So in your free time, you could go on to add more sofas, beds, closets, sinks, and any other lighting fixtures or any other components you'd like to add into your project, and using the scale command to be able to proportion them into the spaces you have. For now, it's a buy. Next, we shall look at adding texts and how to edit text in AutoCAD. For now, it's a buy.